All the plastic that's ever been made is still in existence today.
Working with plastic waste is not only really important, it's also really exciting.
I'm Piers.
And I'm Kayla.
We're from Precious Plastic Melbourne.
Australia generates over 2.5 million tonnes of plastic annually, and only 9% of that is recycled. We take plastic waste and we turn it into 100% recycled products that not only have a long lifespan, but are also recyclable again at the end of life.
We also build machines that are being used by schools, community groups, universities and small businesses. We've recycled about 4 tonne of plastic so far.
Recently we collaborated with Country Road on a high-end homewares range, and we've also fitted out a Converse store.
We want to show the community what's possible and why we should look at plastic waste as a resource.
It's really important to us that we're doing something positive for our child's future and for future generations.